Like, well, I don't want to fight, and I'm not going outside. What's up, Joy Babes? If you guys do not know who I am, I'm Jayda Joy, and I am back with another video. I'm about to tell you guys a crazy story time of the first time that I got jumped while I get this beautiful hair installed, y'all. Hair is linked inside of the description. This hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and just ready for me to put on. Oh my gosh, y'all, and it came pre-curled. So you guys just enjoy this crazy, juicy story time. See y'all in the next clip. What's up, you guys? Please don't mind the do right now. I look crazy. I want to give you guys an unboxing. A wig bag with edges brush, lace band, scrunchie. Oh, this is so cute. HD, invisible, and it's on my head right now. I have the wig that I'm gonna install, which I'm really excited, y'all. I haven't did a honey blonde wig in forever. And the curls in here. Like, who told her to put curls in here? Like, y'all just want to eat. So let's get into this. Because y'all know I'm going to give y'all my real review. So the lace looks really good to me. It looks previously, like, it looked like it's ready. Like, just to put on my head for real and glue down. Everything looks really good. The hair don't stink. And it feels really nice. Okay, y'all. My friend Cece, if y'all know, her YouTube channel is going to be tagged below, but she's going to be helping me. Well, she's going to be doing it. I'm like helping me. I'm not doing this. She's going to be putting on my wig, y'all. I forced her to put a wig on my head. But, yeah, y'all. Oh, this is going to be cute.
That's going to be so cute. Oh, they got everything in here. Just a strap, all that.
Y'all send my friend a wig.
Give me a wig.
Oh, this gonna eat, y'all. This gonna eat down so freaking bad. I'm sorry. Blinded.
Let me.
Okay, you guys. So I'm actually supposed to be telling a story time as I'm getting my hair done, and I just hope you guys don't clip me. Don't put me on TikTok with a ball cap on. Like, that's just real messed up.
Do you want it? Like, is this good on your forehead or you want to?
I feel like that's perfect, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to make sure your part in the middle. Let me see.
So I'm supposed to be telling a story time, y'all, about the first time I got jumped. I don't know if I ever told y'all this story or not, but me and the person who jumped me are actually cool now, so I hope this don't start up nothing. If you're watching this, we good. We good. We still good. I'm just, I gotta make my money. All right, let me know if I'm moving too much.
All right, got you.
All right. So, I'm just gonna give you guys the backstory, really, and then we gonna slowly but surely get into it. And I'm probably gonna chop it up a little bit because I really want you guys to see the process of the install. So I might say a little piece and then y'all feel me. So yeah. The issues between me and this girl started in freaking high school. I think we were messing with the same man. I had went to her party and we was both dealing with this boy. We're gonna call him Mouse. We was dealing with Mouse, and me and Mouse was together. Everybody knew that me and Mouse was together, but the girl, what should I call her? Jenna.
Kim.
Jenna also knew we was together, but she also wanted him. I don't really remember exactly how the story went, but I know for a fact we knew what was going on. So I had left the party and I had found out that Jenna and Mouse had kissed and stuff as soon as I left. So y'all already know I was mad. And that's kind of how everything kind of started. Me and the girl got into it a couple times, and that was it for her, I think. I can't even remember if we seen each other after or before or anything like that. All I know is deep down inside, I ain't like her. I don't care what I said. I know I did not like her, and if she got brought up, I probably had some stuff to say because that's just how I was feeling about her. Like, I really just did not like her. Like, just no. We were invited to host this party. So, like, in Philly and Jersey, we do, like, probably everywhere does it.
Mm-hmm.
But, like, we have, like, you know, just parties. Everybody, you know, underage and stuff. Like, lounges. Like, we got sections, bottles, hookahs, everything. So, we went to one because me and Jayna were, like, hosts. Like, basically, what a host is, for everybody who doesn't know, is we basically promote the party. Like, so they put our face on the flyer, and we have to post it and get people to pop out, basically. So we were promoters at the party, and Jenna was another promoter of the party. And I can't remember, did I know that beforehand?
Yeah.
We knew that. We knew that beforehand. So we go to this party. It was in Philly. It was me, Jayna, my big sister, my cousin Nana, Cece.
That was it.
It was us five?
Yeah, it was just us.
It was us five, and we decided that we wanted to go to this party.
Here's me, now I'm about to put it on you.
Okay.
You all pulling your head with me. So cute. Yeah.
So, let me get this from my TikTok. We got to the party, and basically, they announced that we was there. So they like the Johnsons.
That's when it all went downhill.
They like the Johnston twins is here. So Miss Jenna wanna start just being a hater. Jenna, I'm sorry. I know we cool now, but we just gotta be real. Now, I said I was talking about you. I honestly didn't like her either, so it is what it was. But she wanna sit here and be like, did she boo us? Like, I can't remember.
No, she threw her phone.
No, not yet. Because that's when Jasmine said something. Then she threw the phone.
I don't know.
She just basically had something to say because they were saying that we was here. So we like, Jasmine, which is my big sister, start like kind of saying something. We all kind of start saying something. And this girl take her freaking phone. And if I still have the video, y'all know I'm going to put it in there. She take her phone and she freaking throws it. It hit my sister. Well, did it hit her?
No, I think it almost hit her.
It almost hit her. And I don't know if we threw it back. Or we gave it back. I don't know.
No, I don't think y'all gave it back.
Why would you throw your phone, girl? But she threw her freaking phone and tried to hit us with the phone. So that was that. And that was the time that I let her slide. Because y'all know, I'm not scared to fight. Like, I don't care how big, small, gigantic. I do not care. I'm not scared to fight. But I did not want to fight in Philly in front of all of them people. Like, I was really trying to keep it cute. And plus, I wanted to party. Like, I didn't not want to party. So, what happened next? So, the whole party, she's kind of trying to press me. But I'm really ignoring her because I just don't want to, like, I don't want to fight. Like, I don't like you, but I still do not want to fight. Like, I just don't want to fight. I want to enjoy the party. And that's that.
She wanted to fight so bad. She kept coming up to me.
She kept going up to Cece. Like, what was she even saying?
She wasn't saying nothing. She kept saying, do Jayda want to fight? Jayda don't want to fight.
She just kept going. Like, you know, she really wanted to fight me. Never mind. So, Jenna came up to me at least a few times, like, just telling me that I was talking about her, which I probably was. I can't really remember, like, but I probably was. Like, if I'm being real, I probably was talking about her to whoever I was talking about her to. Oh, well, it is what it was. We shared the friend group. So, she come up to me trying to fight. I'm, like, ducking the whole time because I'm not ready to fight yet. Everything is on my time. Time go by. Then, she, like, wait. Jenna come up to me and she's just like, I want to fight. So, come outside. And I'm looking at her like, not fighting you because, you know, I'm trying to enjoy the party. Like, the party's not over yet. You can't wait till the party's over. She like, no, I'm leaving now. I want to fight now. And I'm like, well, I don't want to fight. and I'm not going outside. I wasn't gonna go outside because not only did I not know who she was with, but we in Philly, y'all. Like, I'm like, no. I'm standing there, and when she came up to me, I didn't know she was coming up to me. I think she tried to call me on stage first, and I didn't go, so she came down the stage or whatever. But I'm thinking that I'm by myself. Like, where were you?
I was right next to you. It was the crowd of people, though. So she's in your face. Me and Nana is on this side, on the right side of you. I think Jayna is on that side of you, and Jazzy's like right in front.
Oh, so I thought I didn't know. Like, I'm just, y'all. I whatever. So I'm like, well, you just gonna have to fight me right here. So y'all know when y'all first start fighting, you black out. So like, from what I remember, I think that I just dropped my stuff and I hit her.
I think you hit her with your phone. You hit her with your phone. You didn't let her say nothing else. You just hit her with your phone.
So she was basically like, she was adamant about fighting me. Like, I knew that if I didn't hit this girl, she was gonna hit me. And I knew I wasn't going outside. So CC said I hit her with my phone. All I remember is dropping whatever I had in my hand and hitting her. And then we got to fighting. So me and Jenna start fighting, and of course my little tail got the upper hand. Of course I got the upper hand, so you know everybody want to jump me. So I think somebody probably got at least one lick on me, and it was over. Like, it was a brawl, y'all. Everybody started jumping everybody. Like, it was this girl. Jenna was with two other girls, and I remember me fighting Jenna, and then it sounded like chaos, but my focus is on Jenna, okay? So I end up getting Jenna to the stage, and I'm just over top of her, you know, whatever. Jayna ends up jumping Jenna with me, and Cece, Nana, and Jazzy is on these two girls, but these girls is big, y'all. So we end up fighting, whatever. I mean, jumping. Me and Jayna ended up jumping Jenna, even though I got my one for a couple seconds.
You did get your way.
I was very mad that that even happened because I didn't want to fight in the first place. I never wanted to fight for real in the first place, but yeah. So after that, it was like beef with me and Jenna for a very long time, like a very, very long time, because she wanted her one with whoever jumped her. But it was my sister, so everything is good now. She recently came to the shop and we talked. Like, that was our first time actually speaking. Like, she came to my salon. I seen her on the cameras and I pulled up. And, you know, we both was just apologize to each other because at the end of the day, you don't fight over no man. Like, and now that man is just, we both don't care about it. We could have just both been being pretty girls and get into the bag. You feel me? So, yeah. But yeah, so that was my first experience getting jumped. I rated it probably like a 5 out of 10. I was really sore in the morning, but that was probably because, you know, you be sore anytime you fight for real. But yeah, that's literally what happened. So let's get back to this install. Don't tell me you have to see me. So how long you been doing hair for?
Like high school.
Really?
Yes.
Wigs?
Yes.
Frontals?
Yes.
High school?
Yes.
I feel like we was in braids. Maybe that's
my junior year is when I stopped getting braids.
Y'all, this wig was previously plucked before we got it, and I think that it looks so good. Like, it literally looks like it's coming from the scalp. Just got done my hair. Well, yeah, it's done. I just have to do my part and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do my makeup really, really fast, and I'm gonna finish up this too. Finish my makeup and oh shoot, y'all, wait, hold the heck up. Finish finished my makeup and now I'm about to just tweak my hair a little bit. I have to put some makeup on this line right here. Alright, y'all, we love it to the face. But how are we gonna keep it to the face? This junk is literally like curling itself. I couldn't lie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. Everything is linked down below. And also make sure you subscribe to my girl CC's channel because she is a new YouTuber, but she's about to turn us all up. So yes, yes, yes. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys soon. Love y'all. See y'all.